This could be the car for you. The 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Enjoy a view of this distinctively stylish Honda CR-V Hybrid, the eco-friendly compact crossover that prioritizes comfort, safety, versatility, and driving enjoyment while infusing every journey with a sense of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Standout style blends beautifully with eco-friendly efficiency in this handsome CR-V Hybrid. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.